Hello everybody, this is Red Rum Queen and you are watching the Horror Family channel. And today I'm going to do a very special haul, one of my very special favorite shows of all time, Stranger Things. We are now on season 4 and we just finished watching season 4 of Stranger Things. It is the summer, so they released it again. We've been in hiatus for like a couple years because of the pandemic. So Stranger Things returned, and they returned with a bang, bringing in new characters and bringing us the old characters. So it was a wonderful, wonderful show to watch. It's very nostalgic if you grew up in the 80s, which is when I grew up. So for me, it holds a special place because it's very nostalgic for me, and it has Winona Ryder, which is a actress from the 80s, who I absolutely adore. So if you haven't seen Stranger Things, it's on Netflix and you're definitely missing out. I would definitely say go ahead and catch up on that show. It's 4 seasons in, and again, it's a wonderful show, and the cast, the crew, the writing, the directing, all the nostalgic, all the music, everything about that show is just a work of art in my opinion. And I'm a big fan since the show first started back in season 1. And I've been getting Stranger Things stuff since then. And I'm going to go ahead and show you my Stranger Things haul. I already went through all this stuff, trying to get it all together for you. So we are going to go ahead and show you the first item, which is a fanny pack. And I got this from Jansport. And it is a well-known brand, Jansport. And they do book bags, backpacks, book bags, backpacks. And this is my fanny pack. Right now, a lot of people wear them in the shoulders. I guess that's a thing now. But when these originally came out, they are fanny for your fanny. So they actually go out around your hip and your waist there because of your fanny. So this is my fanny pack that I got from Jansport. And this is my Demi Gorgon bag. And this is our D&D dice here. Really cool. It opens actually the small pocket, which you can probably fit change in and stuff like that. It is a small pocket here, and it's at the front of the bag, and you can see Jansport is upside down for the upside down, and then we have the year 86 here in black letters, and ST over there in black letters as well. And it's like a charcoal gray, and then the bigger compartment is a lot larger, and you can fit a lot more items in there. As you can see, and it has the Stranger Things Demi Gorgon Demi Bat Hellfire fabric back there, and this is gray. And then on the sides, on both sides, it has the Demi Gorgon Hunter decal label over here, and Demi Gorgon Slayer, and those are on the side of the fanny pack. And it has a really nice thick belt there and buckle and the strap, and this is from Jansport, and I got it directly from Jansport. And it's really cute little fanny pack, and it's a charcoal gray. It's a nice thick material, and it's really cool. And again, this is from Jansport, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rest of the items I got. And right now, currently, I'm wearing my Nightmare on Elm Street t-shirt because if you watch season 4, they brought in Robert Englund, who plays the original OG Freddy Krueger, into the cast of Stranger Things, playing Victor Creed. And he did an amazing job of that role, along with all the other characters, even the villains. They really cast some wonderful characters that you love and like in those roles. Even the villains like Jason and Angela, they killed those roles, and they really made you dislike them for what they were doing to the main characters. But that's what acting is all about, is to own and become that role where people can feel exactly either the love or the hatred for that character, because you embodied them so well. So all the cast is wonderful on that show. So that's my Jansport fanny pack, and I've been getting Stranger Things stuff since season 1, so I'm a big fan, and I can say just a little bit obsessed, a little bit crazy on buying the Stranger Things stuff. So the next items are from Quiksilver, and this one is really cute little romper I got. Again, this is from Quiksilver. The fabric is nice and thin. It's the same pattern from Argyle's pants. Argyle is one of the newest characters to be added to the Stranger Things lineup. But this is a little romper. It's really cute. You actually catch this romper on one of the extras in the back, skating around in the skating ring that L11 is at with her friends Will and Mike. So you get to catch this actual romper on one of the extras. So it's really cool. Again, this is from Quiksilver. The next item is for Slasher Killer 13th. And this one is a towel, and he really liked this towel. It's a really nice soft towel. It's the Hellfire Surf Club. Check it out. Hellfire Surf Club. And this is again Quiksilver, and it's a nice soft velvety like towel. And then it's just white on the other side, you know, like a standard towel. It's not very thick, but it is not very thin either. It's a decent thickness, I guess you want to say. And it's really soft on this side. And this is his Hellfire Surfer Club towel. Let me show it to you one more time since it is on the long side. I want to make sure to turn it around the proper way. Ooh, now I think it's upside down. Yep. So here it is. Really cool. It's upside down. I guess it makes sense. It's upside down. I can't tell when you're looking at it. I'm trying not to get lipstick on it. Okay, now it's the right side up. Hellfire Club, Surfer Club, towel. This is Slasher Killer 13th, and again, this is from Quiksilver. Let me hold all these. I want to put them on top of the stickers. The next item is the Hellfire beach shorts. Again, this is Slasher Killer 13th. Really cool. And my nose itches. I got something in my nose here. So let's just itch that there. But this is my awesome, not my awesome, but Slasher Killer 13's awesome Hellfire Club Demigorgon upside down surf shorts from Quiksilver. And they have pockets in the back. It's a Velcro pocket, so you can probably store something in there and not lose it, because it's like a little Velcro pocket they have there. And they do have the tie strings here, so you can adjust the waist size. I'm sure these will be a little big on him because he does have a very tiny waist, but this is 28. The next item is from Quiksilver as well, and it's this cool Steve Harrington inspired jacket. And they had a lot of inspired clothes from the cast, and this was actually one of the inspired ones from Steve Harrington. And it's really cool jacket. It has nice red, white, and teal colors inside. It's a zipper jacket, and it also has the very retro-ish buttoning here, where you can button the jacket. There we go, snap buttons. And yes, it does have pockets in the side here, and it has a pocket on the other side as well with the Quiksilver logo, and it has that pattern going all the way down to the bottom there. And then we have the, you know, spandexy sleeves and waist, and this is all from Quiksilver. Quiksilver. And they have a bunch of other things inspired by the characters as well as the show, and some of the stuff is worn, worn by some of the characters, not the actual thing we got, but they wear similar items in the show. So next, this one is from Hot Topics, and Hot Topics has some more Stranger Things things as well. And we picked up these awesome thinking caps. We actually got 2 of these, one for me and one for Slasher Killer 13th. And this is from Hot Topics. And it's this cool teal as well as thinking cap here. And it's white, and then it has the, netting back and an adjustable strap. And this is the inside of the hat. And it's really cool. And this is the thinking cap. And we got this at Hot Topics. And I got one for me, and he's got one for himself because he wants to cosplay Dustin when I cosplay Eddie. So this is some of the cool stuff. Again, Quiksilver, Hot Topics, and Jansport thus far. We got more things coming. This is also Quiksilver. And Quiksilver also threw in a bonus with these awesome Stranger Things stickers. It's a 9-piece set. I'm not going to open these because I want to keep them sealed. But it's really, really cool. Stranger Things inspired from season 4 stickers that they threw in as a bonus when we purchased all the Stranger Things items there. And that's from Quiksilver. So the next item is for my Argyle. Argyle is the newest member to the cast lineup, and he is very Cheech inspired. If you haven't seen Cheech and Chong, it's a wonderful movie from back in the 80s, but forewarned, it is not appropriate for the younger audience. It's more of an adult movie. It's about 2 guys who are constantly getting high, and it's a comedy. There is inappropriate stuff in there, of course. But it's a wonderful series of movies, and I actually watched it growing up myself, and I turned out perfectly okay. But this character, Argyle, was very Cheech and Chong vibes. And when he's with Jonathan, I'm getting that whole Cheech and Chong pair, because Cheech and Chong are a pair that always go together and are always high. Sort of like Jonathan and Argyle were in the last season. But, yes, Argyle is a very lovable character that's joined the lineup, and I wanted to get a little bit Argyle inspiration. So here is my awesome Surfer Boy t-shirt, and this is the other side of the Surfer Boy t-shirt. It's really cool, and this is very cool. And this is from Tillys, but it's the Quiksilver brand, and very, very cute shirt for Surfer Boy. The next item I got is this awesome Surfer Boy pizza hat. Yeah, I got a lot of things. I'm a little obsessed. Like I said, I've been getting Stranger Things stuff since it started. So I have things from season 1, I have things from season 2, season 3, and now season 4. So this is the next item. It's a Surfer Boy pizza visor, and it's what Argyle wears in the show. And here is, it looks like it's a Velcro adjustable. Very cool. Surfer Boy pizza visor. For when I decide to be Argyle for one of my cosplays. So it's really, really cool. Again, that's Tillys, but it is Quiksilver inspired. The next item, like I said, I already started kind of going through these so that I can have it all nice and ready for you guys. But the next item is a Timex, and I already took it out of the second layer box. It actually had 3 boxes of layer. It had this one for protection, then it came in this one after the white one, and then followed by the main compartment. And this is from Timex, and it's the upside down, and this is the other side of that. And this is a Timex watch. Check it out. It's a really cool watch here. Very 80s looking watch. It's like a rubber type strap here, and it's very, very nice, very lightweight, not heavy at all. And what's really cool is that this turns green when it's dark, and there's a mind flare there. So this watch is very cool, and I got this at Timex. And there's many layers to this box. As you can see, there's like a few layers to the box itself. It's really, really cool. And I got this, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that down because I don't want it to get messed up. That's from Timex. The next item, and I believe it's the final item from this particular haul. I do have more things coming from Stranger Things. I got, like I said, a little bit crazy and a little bit obsessed with buying things, and I have a couple more things from independent vendors as well as well-known vendors like the ones you've seen here. But the next one is from this vendor. Let me show you. Kit.sch. And they sell like spa type things, like silk pillows, silk eye masks, silk hair ties. So it's very like spa, self-care type items. And they had these Stranger Things inspired, very cool cassette tape. They actually had a silk pillow and eye mask. I was inspired by the Rainbow Room and 11's hospital gown, but I decided just to get the hair accessories, which are totally inspired by Stranger Things. So let me go ahead and show you. Very cool. We got the hair clip that's inspired by the shirt that Elle is wearing at the skating rink underneath her dress. And then we got the actual dress pattern there in one of the scrunchies. And they're really nice, soft, velvety, both of these. And then we got the scrunchie that Max is wearing. It's nice tealish green. Really cool. And it's a corduroy. And then we got another brown corduroy that's also very Stranger Things inspired. I feel more of a Dustin on this one. They didn't specify which the brown one was, but they threw that one in. I feel it's very Dustin. And then, of course, my favorite and the selling point for me, and the main selling point, was this beret, which was very, very inspired. The same, not the same one, but yeah, kind of the same one. Not the one she wore, but from Nancy. So this is my hair accessories inspired by season 4 Stranger Things. So it's really cool, and I'm putting this upside down. I've been doing a lot of upside down. I guess I'm stuck in the upside down. And actually, I was watching this show today that was on live on YouTube, where they were interviewing the cast and the directors and the writers, and they said that originally the upside down was supposed to be called the nether, but then one of the cast members said the upside down, and it stuck, and now it's what we famously know on Stranger Things as the upside down. So yeah, that's a little bit of information there on Stranger Things that I learned about today, which this won't be posted today. This will be posted later on because I have a few other videos I want to come put in before that, like Spooky Empire and all that kind of stuff. But this is my first haul of Stranger Things 4. There'll probably be another haul because I have some more items still coming from Quiksilver as well as independent vendors. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. And remember, the family that scares together stays together. And we'll see you on the other side. Bye.